So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we will learn about the brain. So in short, stay till the end of this video as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you get a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge. So along with the spinal cord, the brain is part of our central nervous system. It is made up of billions of interconnected neurons. The brain is in charge of all our complex behaviors. It controls and coordinates everything we do, from breathing, sleeping, running, and other exercises. We know that the different neurons in the brain carry out different functions. For instance, the cerebral cortex is responsible for things like consciousness, intelligence, memory, and language. The medulla is responsible for control of unconscious activities like breathing and heartbeat. Also, the cerebellum is responsible for muscle coordination. So guys, scientists use a few different methods to study the brain and map out the functions of each of the bits. They can use this to study patients with brain damage. For instance, if a small part of the brain has been damaged, the effect this has on the patient can tell you a lot about what the brain part that has been damaged does. Let's say, if an area of the back of the brain was damaged by a stroke and the patient went blind, you know that that area has something to do with vision. Another way to study the brain is by electrically stimulating the brain. The brain can be stimulated electrically by pushing a tiny electrode into the tissue and giving a small zap of electricity. Now, by observing what stimulating different parts of the brain does, it's possible to get an idea of what those parts do. For instance, when a certain part of the brain is stimulated, it causes muscle contraction and movement. This area is known as the motor area. Another way of studying the brain also is by using MRI scans. So MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. They're like a big fancy tube-like machines that can produce a very detailed picture of the brain structure. So scientists use it to find out what area of the brain are active when people are doing things like listening to music or trying to recall a memory and so on. So a knowledge of how the brain works has led to the development of treatments for disorders of the nervous system. For instance, electrical stimulation of the brain can help reduce muscle tremors caused by nervous system disorders such as Parkinson's disease. However, the brain is incredibly complex and delicate. The investigation of brain function and any treatment of brain damage or disease is difficult. It also carries risk, such risk as physical damage to the brain or increased problem with brain functions. So guys, here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.